What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with part 4 of strings keyword. In this video we are going to write format keyword, index of keyword, and index of any keyword. Now let's start the video. First I want to write format keyword and then we will continue with the rest of them. Now as you can see, I write one string named str1 and I chose some indexes for that. I mean index 0, 1, 2 and 3. And then I write another string named str2 and then I write a string dot format 2 parentheses, and then I choose the first input as str1 and then I will give the str1 some inputs through format keyword like Kevin for index 0, detect lover for index 1, and 20 for index 2, and US for index 3. And then I print str2 to see the result. Now let's start the program. As you can see, we have name Kevin the tech lover, which Kevin is for index 0 and the tech lover is for index 1, and then we have age 20 for index 2 and then US for index 3. And that's it for format keyword. Next we have index of keyword. Okay, now first I want to start with a simple string str1 like cat underline dog, and I write console.writeLine to write the result of str1 dot index of and 2 parentheses. Okay, now what is the index of keyword? We use index of keyword to check the place of a specific character or the specific string in our string, and it means the output of index of keyword is an integer, the place of the string that we want or the character that we want. First, now I start with character. I write C. For example, as you can see, it prints 0. It means C is index 0, the first one. And D is in the index 4. And T is in index 2. And we also can write some strings. For example, dog, as you can see, it prints 4. It means the first character of dog starts from index 4, and then O is index 5 and G is in the index 6. And if I write OG, O is in the index 5 and G is in index 6. And let's try sky, which we don't have in our string. It prints -1, which there is no string names as sky in our string. And that's for index of keyword. Next we have index of any keyword. We use it to check the series of characters. Here I change str1 to Kevin the tech lover, and then I wrote an array of characters and I added character A and B and C and V in my array. And then exactly like index of keyword, index of any keyword, the output of that is integer. We again write str1 dot index of any with two parentheses and we add ch1 as an input of index of any keyword. Now as you can see, it prints 2, which means it checked V, and I removed V to check C. It prints 10, that means first C is index 10, and I removed C and it prints -1, which means there is no A and B in my string. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful and you liked it. If you did, please leave a like, and if you did not, leave a dislike. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.